Let's see the demo of a system without SecurWeave chesp. Hacker sends Reptile rootkit disguised as system update on victim machine. The administrator download the file and the mail server doesn't flag it as malicious.
Also, administrator performs a virus scan through VirusTotal webpage. VirusTotal scans file for malicious content using several antivirus engines. None of the 56 engines used by VirusTotal flag it as a malicious. Administrator runs it, assuming as a proper system update and confident about the integrity of update package. On the other side, hacker launches a Reptile client and tries to connect to the victim machine and establishes remote connection. With the shell command gets root shell of victim machine. No traces of remote connection on victim machine ports, processes etc. are hidden.
Hacker can now discreetly execute any command with root privilege.
Let's see what happens on a chesp protected victim machine.
As before, administrator performs the system update obvious to the malicious module present.
chesp raises an alert and prevents any unauthorized action from malicious software.